What you had? You back? This is me.
All right, what are we doing?
Taking the front of this car off so that we can hopefully put a motor in it.
Hopefully. We gotta drop the radiator support. And then the front bumper is off. We still gotta take the hood off. And then maybe, just maybe, we can get the brakes off. We gotta drop the subframe. Now I gotta find a couple parts for the engine. So I was mounting this, going to clock it. I realized one of these bolts are missing. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And these bolts are missing. And then I just gotta go back through inventory since it's been a while and see exactly what's missing, what's not, what I need, what I don't, and go back to ordering stuff. There's a list of stuff. There's a list of stuff. But that at least is mounted. Well, loosely mounted. This is loosely mounted. The rest of it's a mess. I need another RS4 gasket for the intake. And then I think once we drop the subframe, I think the motor will be good to go. Yeah. You got it?
I gotta get this wire out, the cable.
You need light?
If you got it.
Well,
That's not a bus, it's split.
hold on. What'd you do with that flashlight, child? Alright, hold on. Alright, well, front end's off. Just gotta take the hood off now. Kind of prepping everything to drop the motor in. There it is, all naked.
Daddy,
On. Alright, it's late. We dropped the subframe. We're gonna put the engine trans on the subframe and roll it back in, and then jack it up. The front end's off. We just gotta clean up. What time is it?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Alright, clean up so we don't get yelled at by the neighbors and stuff. But she's getting there. I don't know what else to record actually. Probably clean that up and paint it. Get the dirt off that guy. Otherwise,
You got a new steering rack.
no new steering rack. Maybe new coilovers because these things are disgusting.
Yeah, dude, I don't even know if you'd be able to thread down any further.
Probably not. Rusted to hell.
Yeah.
But that's what that looks like. Alright guys, there's another pooper video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace. It's just cool not to share. But we kind of rolled the engine and transmission in the engine bay to kind of get a view of exactly what it's going to look like. Then we put these stupid tires on it. Ooh, shitty tires. Ooh, sexy engine bay. It's cool though, because it's over here without the whatever you want to call it. You see the turbo?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. That is all.